Stop doing whatever you're doing, because in this little short video, I'm going to show you how to use emoticons mod and emotes with Blockbuster. Set up an actor, and make sure that fake player option is enabled. That's super important. Then pick any emoticons morph. I'll pick emoticons.slim simple for example. To change the skin, we need to edit the morph. Select the meshes panel, select body, and pick the texture. Then pick any Alex or Fred texture, depending on the model you used. Record yourself emoting, and that should work. If you don't want to use emoticons morphs, you can try using player morphs. Pick a player morph, and edit its username, playback, and the emote should work as well. Hopefully, this video helped you. Check out the More Player Models video for more information on player morph stuff. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.